A fresh salvo against Mamata Banerjee's government in West Bengal over the Kaliachak violence in Malda district. BJP was prompted today, in fact, by the prevention of its three-member fact-finding team from going to the affected area in Malda. It has now fired off 5 questions for the Trinamool chief to answer.
These visuals are from Malda railway station in West Bengal, where a fact-finding team of BJP parliamentarians was stopped from visiting violence-hit Kaliachak by district authorities and turned back from the railway station. The team had arrived to look into an incident that had taken place in Kaliachak on 3rd January. MPs Bhupendra Yadav, Ramvilas Vedanti and SS Ahluwalia had reached Malda station at 6 a.m. via Gaur Express. Soon after they got down, police and district administration asked them to go back, citing prohibitory orders. The BJP has condemned the move and said the administration took the step under pressure from the state government.
We have come all the way just to assess, just to get the feedback. What exactly happened? You can say simply that it is basically a Nagarik Todonto, means the citizens' inquiry. So we want to know exactly what is happening.
Following the incident, the dispute between BJP and TMC has only intensified. BJP has it out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, asking it 5 questions.
मालदा के अंदर एकड़ के बाद एकड़ खेती जो चल रही है वो ओपीएम की चल रही है। ममता जी से, उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से हमारा प्रश्न है कि आप ये जानते हुए भी, आपकी जो तंत्र है वो जानता भी है, मगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक वहां पर इसको रोकने की क्यों नहीं कोई कार्रवाई की?
TMC has dismissed the allegations leveled by the BJP.
The Malda incident was a criminal incident. The BJP RSS in the last 1 week have tried to paint a criminal incident and try and make it to be a communal incident. This is the difference. And now after 7 days, they're changing their tune and saying, no, that's what opium smuggling has happened there.
CPIM leader Mohammad Salim too was stopped from going to Kaliachak. Meanwhile, Congress and other political parties are also lashing out at West Bengal government, questioning the law and order situation in the state.
There is no 144, no crisis of law and order. I was traveling alone, not a convoy, not the press, media or even security. The additional IC or IC, I don't know, the police officer, as a gun, said you can't proceed, you stop here. I said, show me the order. What is the order? They failed to show order. They said our additional SP is coming, then you'll know.
Tragic incident which happened, the riot which happened in Malda, should have been contained or controlled by the state government. The state government also failed in that matter. That is our view.
On 3rd January, violence had broken out in Malda district. A mob had torched a police station and many vehicles were damaged. Some of those behind the incident were arrested. State Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had said there is no communal tension in the area and termed the incident as a result of a dispute between BSF and locals. The BJP will now seek a meeting with President Pranab Mukherjee and request him to intervene in the matter. The party will also ask for a probe into the incident by the Union Home Minister. DD News.